happy. Be ready. Now, first let me know. In last class, I told you to go through the chapter. The first chapter you have to go through, isn't it? Have you finished it? Have you started learning the question answer?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Because I will,
Yes,
because I can ask any
Yes,
time.
ma'am.
Now, today we have to. Okay, beta. Now listen. Today we have to start chapter 4, Mulan the Warrior. Check out chapter 4. Everyone,
And chapter number
4. Chapter 4, Mulan the Warrior.
chapter 4.
Chapter 4, Mulan the Warrior.
अरे मैम अब पढ़े मुलान द वॉरियर. यस मैम मुलान द वॉरियर. मैम मुलान द वॉरियर. यस मैम.
Okay, now today, no noise.
मैम मुलान द वॉरियर पढ़े हैं.
Okay, it is very good, even though we have to go through the chapter, isn't it?
सुनो पहले क्या बोलो.
Now, everyone, listen carefully. If you have to ask anything, you have to raise your hand or you have to tell me your name, isn't it? Now, again, I'm telling you, whenever you have to enter the class, you have to put your proper name.
मैम अब प्रॉपर नेम में है. मैम हमें प्रॉपर नेम में है.
Okay, beta. Now, no discussion, only I will see. I'm not asking anyone, I'm telling, listen carefully and quiet. Be quiet. And if you are, and you will talk, then I will start asking the question answer. Now, chapter 4 is Mulan the Warrior. Tell me, what do you mean by warrior?
मैम
What
वॉरियर
do you mean
मतलब
by
मैम सोल्जर. मैम सोल्जर.
warrior means
सोल्जर.
soldier, not soldier, fighter. One who used to
मैम जो फाइट
take
करते
part
हैं
in
अपने
war
इंडिया
battles.
में.
Yes.
ले दिलाओ ना. मैम
Okay,
पेज
children, shall we-
नंबर.
What is
Ma'am,
this?
page
Page
number?
number 31. Chapter 4, page number 31. Okay. Now, and listen carefully, put your pencil on the lines. Put your pencil on the lines.
दिन से इंग्लिश लिटरेचर नहीं करा तो मैम देखिए 4 चैप्टर में पहुंच गई है.
What happened?
हाँ सर नहीं किए पूरा.
Okay, now. Chapter 4, Mulan the Warrior. It is a nice story. Listen carefully, put your pencil on the lines because in between, I'll start asking from where we are going to.
Yes,
Listen
ma'am.
carefully, children. There is so much noise. Now, listen. Shivam, concentrate. Sit properly, Shivam. Put your pencil on the line. Mulan the Warrior. Let us read about a young girl in China who brought about a great change in the lives of the women living there. It is a story about a girl who was very brave. She was very brave, and when she was very small, she used to look after the poor conditions of the women also. When she was small, she saw that women of China. First, one thing you have to keep in mind, the story took place in which country? China. In next class, whenever I will ask where did the story took place, you have to tell China. The name of the country where the story took place is China. She is a Chinese girl, in fact. So it is a story about who is asking again and again. How many times I should repeat the same thing? Page number. Why do you want to know the page number? Chapter 4. Chapter 4.
Ma'am,
Chapter 4. Please.
ma'am,
What?
मैम
Yes.
आपका आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है.
बेटा use your earphone or hands free. Hands free use करो आप. Okay. Now, children, no disturbance. We haven't started yet. अभी तक हमारी पढ़ाई शुरू नहीं हुई है. Okay. So she was a small Chinese girl, and this is a story because she has brought a great change in the life of the women of China. Now, I'm starting the first para. Put your pen.
मैम आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
Okay, let me check, beta. Let me check.
मैम आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
प्रशंसा, आवाज नहीं आ रही है अभी.
नहीं आ रहा है. नो मैम नहीं आ रही है.
Wait, wait,
मम्मी आवाज नहीं आएगा तो कैसे पढ़ेंगे.
wait.
दादी का मोबाइल ना 11 बजने वाला है. मैम हमको आवाज आ रहा है.
Okay. आवाज आ जाएगी बेटा. Now.
मैम आ रही है.
Am I clear to you all? Okay. Now, shall we start? प्रशंसा, आवाज आ रही है अभी आपको? Okay. Now, concentrate. Arnav Raj, concentrate. Everyone. Only you have to look at your book.
Yes,
Or in
ma'am.
classroom, you have to look at your book. Now, see, father. Now I'm explaining now I'm going through the first para. Put your pencil. See, father, how well I can write. The little girl's voice came clearly, followed by the father's laughter. Yes, my brave daughter, the father said, lifting her off the horse. A girl was riding a horse. A girl was riding a horse, and she wanted to let her know, father, that how well she was in horse riding. She wanted to let her father know that she was able to ride the horse very carefully and very nicely. Her father started laughing and said, yes, my brave daughter, I know you are very good in horse riding. And he was lifting her off the horse. Means at that time, when she was talking to her father, she was on the horse back. Her father lifted her off in her lap and said, yes, I know you are a brave daughter and you are a good rider even. Her mother looked worried. You shouldn't teach the girl to ride a horse. She whispered, what will people say? When both father and daughter were talking, her mother, means the mother of that Chinese girl, she was very worried that time. She said, we should not teach her how to ride a horse because maybe people laugh on us. हमें अपनी बेटी को हॉर्स राइडिंग नहीं सीखने कर दे कि हॉर्स राइडिंग कर रही है. It was her mother version. It was her mother's statement. This happened in China hundreds of years ago. In those days, people traveled on foot, in carriages, or on horseback. But now, when this story took place, it was 100 years ago. In China, 100 years back, people were not that much educated. Listen carefully, children. Again, all I started talking. Arnav, sit properly. Arnav Raj, don't unmute yourself. Mute karo apne ko. Arnav, don't unmute yourself. Mute karo. Yes. I will unmute. Okay? You have to stay like that. 100 years back, in China, people were not very... Yes? beta, yes beta. What
Ma'am,
happened?
your voice
नहीं
is
आ रही
not
आवाज?
coming. No, ma'am.
Done speaking. Ma'am,
Yes beta. Listen carefully. आवाज आएगी. आवाज आएगी. Listen carefully. Maybe due to the fluctuation of network. Just wait for 2 or 3 minutes. Network will be okay.
Done speaking. मेरा आवाज सुनाई देगा.
Okay. So 100 years back, people were not educated. They don't want their girls to ride a horse. They don't want their girls to
मैम
go
आवाज
outside for
सुनाई
a
नहीं
long
दे
walk.
रहा है.
सबको प्रॉब्लम हो रही है या फिर एक दो बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम हो रही है? प्रियांशु.
मैम हमको आवाज सुनाई दे रहा है.
ओके प्रशंसा बेटा उधर आपको लगता है प्रॉब्लम है, सबको आवाज आ रही है?
मैं भी थोड़ा देर के लिए स्टॉप कर देती हूँ.
मैम आवाज आ रही है तो आवाज आ रहा है.
Now listen, no talk.
मैम आवाज. मैम साउंड इज नॉट कमिंग क्लियरली. मैम
अभी चिल्ड्रन कीप क्वाइट, साउंड आ जाएगा. आप लोग चुप रहो पहले.
सेंड करो ना. मैसेज कैसे होगा?
डोंट सेंड मी मैसेजेस. चिल्ड्रन कीप क्वाइट. कुछ देर में नेटवर्क सही होगा. सिट क्वाइटली. हिमांशु सिट क्वाइटली. नाउ this happened in China 100 of years ago. 100 of years ago, the situation was like that. कि people travel in horse carriages, घोड़े गाड़ी में, घोड़ा गाड़ी में जाते थे.
देखे इधर ना.
कैरेजेस में जाते या फिर घोड़सवारी करते थे. वो घोड़ों की पीठ पर बैठ के जाते थे. Now, but girls were not next page. But girls were not allowed to ride on horseback at that time. 100 were not very girls to ride a horse. उनको पसंद नहीं था कि लड़कियां घुड़सवारी करें या घोड़ों की पीठ पर बैठ के कहीं जाएं. And that time, the only means of conveyance was carriages, either or the horseback. उस time ट्रेवल करने का सिर्फ दो ही उनके पास ऑप्शंस था. आइदर दे हैव टू सिट ऑन द हॉर्स बैक, घोड़े की पीठ पर बैठ के जाते थे, और आइदर दे हैव टू यूज द कैरेजेस, घोड़ा गाड़ी यूज करना होता था. Mulan's father was a soldier and had fought in many wars. Mulan, the name of that Chinese girl is Mulan. The name of the Chinese girl which we are going through. जो भी स्टोरी में जो मेन कैरेक्टर, the main character is Mulan. She was a Chinese girl. Her father was a warrior. उसके फादर जो थे वो एक बहुत brave soldier थे. In one such war, he was wounded badly. Wounded means hurted. एक बहुत बड़ी लड़ाई में उनको बहुत चोट लगी. And he was badly wounded. उनको बहुत ज्यादा घाव हो गए, बहुत ज्यादा चोट लगी थी उस लड़ाई में उन्हें. So he came home to take care of his family. He came back from the battlefield. Battlefield मतलब युद्ध के मैदान से वो वापस आ जाते हैं ताकि अपने परिवार की देख-रेख कर सके, क्योंकि now he was not able to fight anymore. अब वो ज्यादा लड़ाई नहीं कर सकते थे. He was proud to see his daughter grow up strong and fearless. Because he was a warrior, he wanted his daughter to be like him. अभी जैसे आपके पापा हैं, वो अगर कोई काम करते हैं तो वो चाहते हैं कि मुझसे भी अच्छा मेरे बच्चे काम करें, isn't it? So he was like that. He thought कि I'm a warrior and I want my daughter to be brave like me and fearless like me. Fearless means जिसको किसी भी चीज से डर नहीं लगे. She will be more strong and fearless like me. And in fact, Mulan was very fearless girl. She was very brave girl. बचपन से ही मुलान जो थी वो बहुत fearless थी और बहुत strong girl थी. And her father was very happy to see. उसके पापा ये देखकर बहुत खुश होते थे. One day, drums were heard in the village. One day, people heard that someone was beating the drum. One day कुछ लोगों ने सुना कि पूरे गांव में ड्रम के बजने की आवाज आ रही. There was might be there due to the announcement. Arnav Raj, sit down. It was announcement from the king. Yes, I told you earlier. It was announcement from the king. Announcement means the king wanted, if in earlier time when a king or any higher authority had to announce anything, they used to send messengers to the villages or the towns to inform people about the happenings. पहले के जमाने में क्या होता था? They don't have the mobiles to inform. तो पहले के जमाने में राजा क्या करते थे? जब भी कोई अनाउंसमेंट करनी होती थी जरूरी, वो गांव में, शहरों में. प्रियांशु, बेटा सबको आवाज आ रही है, सिर्फ आपको नहीं आ रही है. Everyone is able to hear me except you. हो सकता है नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होगा. It will be okay. प्रशंसा, आवाज आ रही है आपको? प्रशंसा, आवाज आ रही है? प्रशंसा बेटा, आवाज आ रही है? ओके बेटा, ओके ओके. Now, so I told you, in earlier times people don't have the mobiles, and whenever the king or the higher authority had to announce anything, they used to send messengers. वो messengers भेजते थे ताकि लोगों को पता चले कि एक जरूरी announcement हो जाना रही है, whether it is for the any competition, whether for any entertainment or anything. Be the situation, whatever be the situation, the king used to send messengers to let people know about the happenings in their kingdom. There is going to be another war. The king has ordered that one male member from each family must go to the army headquarters immediately. Now, the message was that the king wanted to let people know that again there was a big war. There will be a big war. And he wanted everyone. Anshika, say it properly. And he wanted the village people to send at least one male member. Male member means the male members means उस घर में या तो किसी लड़के को, उस हर एक घर से एक मेल मेंबर को, हर एक घर से एक लड़के को उस लड़ाई में भेजना था. And they have to follow the king's order. So the announcement was for sending one member at least from each and every house to the headquarters. Headquarters में भेजना था ताकि उनको वो ट्रेनिंग दे सके लड़ाई में भाग लेने के लिए, और they will be a warrior. उनको warrior बनाने की ट्रेनिंग देने के लिए राजा ने अनाउंसमेंट करी कि at least from the village each and every house to send at least one member from the house. हर एक घर से एक मेल मेंबर लोगों को राजा के दरबार में भेजना ताकि वो लोग मिलिट्री हेडक्वार्टर्स में जाके वॉरियर बनने की ट्रेनिंग ले सके. If we won the war, every family will be rewarded handsomely. And the second announcement was that if we will win the war, अगर हम लोग वॉर जीत जाते हैं, हम लोग लड़ाई जीत जाते हैं, तो जिस घर से जितने लोग आए होंगे लड़ाई में भाग लेने के लिए उनको बहुत अच्छा रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा. They will be rewarded handsomely. Handsomely means in a very good way. बहुत अच्छा प्राइस मिलेगा. It was the announcement. Now, before moving forward, everyone underline the word. In page number 32, first para, wounded, W-O-U-N-D-E-D. Page number 32, first para, Prashansha, don't say title. Wounded, W-O-U-N-D-E-D, first para, Prashansha, have you underlined? Himanshu Bandari, Shivam Kumar, Aditi, have you underlined, beta? Aditi, have you underlined? Okay, wounded. Page number 32. Page number 32, first para. First para वहां से शुरू है. Mulan's father was a soldier and had fought in many wars. In that line, second line में he was wounded badly. Wounded. Underline the word wounded. W-O-U-N-D-E-D. W-O-U-N-D-E-D. Finish? Himanshu? Aditi, finish? Okay. Aparna, Arnav Raj, Praveen, Manya, Anshika, sit properly. What are you doing? Harshraj, have you underlined the word? Okay. Rudra, have you underlined? Ading? Look at your book only, Ading. Have you? Okay, beta. Ankit, have you underlined? Okay. Aditya, Aryan, have you underlined the word? Okay, wounded. Next word is in the same para, last line, fearless. Fearless, fearless. Aryan, underline the word, fearless. In the same para, last line, fearless, fearless. In next para, headquarters, headquarters. Second last line, HEADQUARTERS, headquarters. Aditya, got the word? Okay. Next. Okay, now we will start the chapter. Next para. Look at the book. Mulan has now become tensed to know about war. Her father had not yet recovered from his injuries. She was very worried how to send his father. What happened, Ankit? Why are you sending messages, Ankit? What happened? Wait, Ankit, wait. Wait, let me finish my work. Then I'll ask one by one your problems. Let me finish this para because after that I have to take the feedback also. Jahan nahi samajh mein aayega, you have to tell me again. First, let me finish this para. Now, because the announcement was that each and every house to send a male member to the battlefield. Mulan was very worried to know that how can she send her father to the battlefield. Battlefield मतलब युद्ध के मैदान में अपने father को वो कैसे भेज सकती थी? Because already her father was badly injured. Already उसके पापा को जो था बहुत ज़्यादा चोट लग चुकी थी, and he was not able to take part in the war. लड़ाई में भाग लेने के लिए उसके पापा बिल्कुल भी रेडी नहीं थे because he was badly injured. Injured means चोट लगना, wounded. Mulan's brother was still a little boy और उस घर में दूसरा जो मेल मेंबर था वो मुलान का छोटा भाई था, लेकिन वो बहुत छोटा था. He was not at that age. He was not in a proper age to take part in war. उसको लड़ाई में लेने की उसकी जो एज थी वो नहीं थी, वो मुलान से बहुत छोटा था. It means in Mulan house there was no male member to take part in the battle. Battle means war, लड़ाई होना. Who would go from their family? It had to be father. Now she was thinking who will go. Because her brother was not able to take part. He was not in proper age. Her father was completely bed stricken मतलब वो bed पे ही आराम करती. He was not so well to take part. And if the announcement was there, अगर वहाँ पे announcement हुई थी, then they have to send anyone from the house. She was thinking and she became very tensed. Then तब तो पापा को ही जाना पड़ेगा, she thought. Next morning, Mulan was to be found nowhere in the house. Next morning, मुलान को जब लोगों ने सुबह सुबह देखा तो घर में किसी को मुलान नहीं मिली. She was vanished randomly. क्या हुआ, एक सुबह जिस दिन वो टेंस्ड, उसके दूसरे दिन जब सब सुबह में उठते हैं, जैसे हम लोग सुबह में उठते हैं तो मॉम को देखते हैं, पापा को देखते हैं, अपने ब्रदर सिस्टर को देखते हैं ना कि they were doing anything, they are reading paper or they are having taking tea. Like that, everyone was searching for Mulan, but she was nowhere. She was Rudra concentrate on the book only. She was nowhere. उसे nowhere means कहीं भी वो लोगों को खोजने पे भी नहीं मिली. Maybe she is sad that I am going. His father was getting ready to participate in the war. उसके पापा चोट लगने के बावजूद भी, even though he was badly injured, he was getting ready to participate in the war. उसके पापा ready हो रहे थे लड़ाई में भाग लेने के लिए। He said, उन्होंने अपने में कहा कि हो सकता है मैं लड़ाई में जा रहा हूँ तो मुलान सैड होगी, मे बी शी इज सैड बिकॉज अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू द बैटलफील्ड, मैं फिर से लड़ाई करने जा रहा हूँ, हो सकता है मुलान इससे सैड होगी। Father thought as he rode away on his horse, और वो अपने घोड़े पे बैठ के जब जा रहे थे लड़ाई करने, युद्ध स्थल के हेडक्वार्टर्स की तरफ जा रहे थे, he was thinking कि हो सकता है वो सैड हो, बाद में घर वो आ जाएगी। Next para. At the army headquarters, he was told he sent a member. Now, a strange thing happened. As soon as his father entered the army headquarters, he come to know that उनके फैमिली से, जैसे ही आर्मी हेडक्वार्टर, उनके फैमिली से एक मेल मेंबर ऑलरेडी अपना नाम दे चुका है, यानी मुलान के घर से एक मेल मेंबर आ चुका था लड़ाई। अंकित, सिट प्रॉपर्ली। अंकित, व्हाट इज दिस? डोंट मूव, हिलना भी नहीं है अंकित। तो ही वाज शॉक्ड टू नो दैट मैं तो अभी आया हूँ और मेरा बेटा जो है वो छोटा सा है। देन हु एल्स मीन्स और कौन आ सकता है मेरे घर में, बिकॉज इन माई हाउस अगेन प्रशंसा। ओके बेटा, लेट मी चेक, सबको आवाज जा रही है, वेट। आज प्रशंसा को एकदम आवाज नहीं जा रही है, नहीं आ रही है बेटा आवाज प्रशंसा। ओके वेट।
Ma'am, your voice is not coming clearly. मैम आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
ओके बेटा, लेट मी
मैम
चेक।
आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
अगेन यू ऑल हैव स्टार्टेड सेइंग द सेम थिंग एट ए टाइम, एक साथ नहीं बोलना है।
Ma'am, your voice is coming.
Okay, okay. Now listen. Now I'm not going to explain further. अभी मैं explain नहीं करूंगी, जहां तक मैंने किया underline, वहां पे मार्क लगा, मैंने कहा तक पढ़ाया। The last para is father thought as he rode away on his horse. यहाँ पे आप लोग, you will tell me that up to this para we have finished. Have you all underlined? Father thought as he rode away on his horse. Page number 32.
I'm not able to. Ma'am, I'm not able to stop. Ma'am, para number.
Shivam, what happened?
Para number.
Shivam said, tell me again, what happened? क्या हुआ?
किसको अंडरलाइन करना है?
बेटा जो लास्ट पैरा मैंने पढ़ाया ना, वो अंडरलाइन करना है। फिर से देखो, नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग मुलान was to be found nowhere in the house. मिला, have you got that para?
हम कौन सा वर्ड अंडरलाइन करना है?
मोबाइल कवर
कौन सा वर्ड अंडरलाइन करना है?
Look at the book. Yeah, Mulan was next morning. This one. Next morning. Next morning. Aditi, have you got the paragraph, beta? Prashansa, have you got the paragraph? Adi? Rudra, have you got the paragraph?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the word? मैम आपका आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है। क्या है?
मैं बोल रही हूँ, कहाँ से क्लियर आएगा? वेट बेटा, पेज नंबर 32 ऊपर से आप फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ पैरा, पेज नंबर 32 फोर्थ पैरा, पेज नंबर 32 फोर्थ पैरा, फोर्थ पैरा, चौथा पैराग्राफ आपको अंडरलाइन करना है। Now listen everyone, We have only 5 to 7 minutes more. Listen carefully. अब मैं जो बता रही हूँ.
मैम सबको 4 पैरा का लास्ट लाइन.
Yes, fourth para. Last line was father thought as he rode away on his
मैम
horse.
आवाज सुनाई नहीं दे रही है. मैम
Yes.
मैम क्या कहते हैं मैम, हम लोग को वो रूटीन भी नहीं मिला एग्जामिनेशन का. मैम मंडे को हम लोग को एग्जाम भी है. मैम मिल गया है.
You will get the routine. You will get the routine. Okay, you will get the routine if you have not gone. Either you have to.
मैम मिल गया है. मैम रूटीन ये किसका सब्जेक्ट का है.
Okay. Let me know. बाद में मैं बताऊंगी आपको. First, listen. आपका आज को.
मैम.
Yes, अंशिका.
मैम सबको म्यूट करने बोलिए ना.
मैं म्यूट कर रही हूँ बेटा, पहले सुनो आप लोग. If I will mute you all, how can I ask anything? मुझे आपसे पूछना है ना, म्यूट में कैसे करूँ? It is better to keep quiet. Better to keep quiet. चुप रहो और सुनो. Now, today your homework is to go through this chapter जहाँ तक मैंने पढ़ाया up to para 4 of page number 32. You have to go through because in that portion I have lots of questions to ask. इसमें से बहुत सारे question पूछूंगी. That what do you mean by warrior? Who was Mulan? Where did the story took place? What was the name of the country? What was the announcement by the king? King ने कौन सा announcement किया था? Ankit, you are in classroom. Behave. Ankit. Yes, Ankit. Yes, Ankit. बोलो.
मैम वो एक बात कहने की मैम, इसमें से मुलन कौन है?
देखो. Just I have told you, but again he is asking. It is your homework. You have to tell me in next class.
ये है कि ये है. हम ये है कि ये है. मैम ये से
Mulan. पहले tell me who was Mulan. Ankit, tell me who was Mulan.
Mulan was the very.
Mulan.
Mulan was the girl. Mulan was the Chinese girl.
Yes, Mulan was the Chinese
Chinese
girl.
girl.
Yes, very good. Ankit is not listening properly. Ankit was not listening properly. That's why he don't know the answer. Now listen.
Ma'am.
Your homework is you have to go to the children. You are making too much noise. I don't want to mute you all because I have to ask you now. Don't make noise. आवाज नहीं करो.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, प्रशंसा.
मैम आपकी आवाज क्लियरली नहीं आ रही है.
बेटा आपको हेडफोन यूज करना होगा क्योंकि सबको आवाज आ रही है. Only 2 or 3 students are getting problems.
मैम ये
2 and 3 students are getting problems.
मैम ये
सबको आवाज जा रही है प्रशंसा.
मैम इस स्टोरी में ये नहीं आ रही है.
वंशिका आपको आवाज आ रही है?
यस मैम.
ओके.
मैम
नहीं अभी मैं कुछ नहीं बताऊंगी.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है. हेलो मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
मैं अभी नहीं बोल रही हूँ. ठीक है. Sit quietly all of you. Children, too much noise.
मैम आप मैम ये कौन सा इस स्टोरी में ये?
अभी नहीं. Next time. First listen. Too much noise. Today you have disturbed each and everyone. Only 2 and 4 students are disturbing the class. What is this? How many times I should say, Ankit? Today I will not going to give you any answer. ये homework है. आप पढ़ के आओगे chapter. Next class में मैं पूछूंगी तभी आपको answer बताऊंगी. And again he is asking, Ankit very bad. No question Ankit. आज नहीं बताना है. आज तो पूछना भी नहीं है अंकित. आज सिर्फ होमवर्क मैं दे रही हूँ. सुनो. Okay. So listen. up to that paragraph of page number 32 up to paragraph number 4 you have to go through the chapter twice or thrice. 2 बार 3 बार आप चैप्टर बोल के पढ़ोगे. Try to find out the answers of the questions like who was Mulan, what do you mean by warrior, and why Mulan's father was not able to participate in war. उसके father war में जाने के लिए, लड़ाई में जाने के लिए क्यों नहीं ready थे. Next question, what was the announcement by the king? What was the announcement by the king? Okay, प्रशंसा सुनो. Wait. What was the announcement by the king and okay, what was the announcement made by the king? Who announced? And what was the way to announce the things? जब announcement करवाया जाता था राज्य में, yes प्रशंसा, I know बेटा आपको आवाज नहीं आ रही है. You have to wait for the network because each and every one is listening to me clearly. आपके अलावा बेटा सब कोई मेरी आवाज सुन रहा है. प्रशंसा, you have to wait for the network बेटा. सबको आवाज आ रही है प्रशंसा. वेट, नेटवर्क में भी थोड़ा फ्लक्चुएट कर रहा है. अर्णव राज, नो नीड टू डू दैट बेटा. आई नो आपको आवाज आ रही है. एनीवेज,
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
यस बेटा प्रशंसा, वेट फॉर अ मिनट. सबको आवाज आ रही है. आप यस बेटा प्रशंसा, आपके तरफ प्रॉब्लम है बेटा. हो सकता है नेटवर्क का प्रॉब्लम हो, अभी उस दिन में आवाज क्लियर आ जाएगी बिकॉज सबको आवाज आ रही है. ठीक है. वेट प्रशंसा, डोंट सेंड मैसेजेस अगेन एंड अगेन. सबको आवाज आ रही है. वेट प्रशंसा, नाउ डोंट सेंड एनी मैसेजेस. So this is your homework. You have to go through the chapter, and in next class I will ask questions, and till then you have to go through the chapter. पहला चैप्टर याद करना शुरू कर दो for your exams also, for your periodical test also. Go through the first chapter, isn't it?
Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
प्रशंसा, अनम्यूट करो बेटा. पहले अपने को अनम्यूट करो.
Hello?
प्रशंसा,
Hello?
अनम्यूट करो.
Not coming clearly. सुनती है.
आज प्रशंसा सिर्फ आपको प्रॉब्लम है बेटा. सबको आवाज आ रही है. प्रशंसा.
Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Ma'am?
Yes. Tell me your name. Before asking anything, you have to tell me your name.
Ma'am? 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 Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, doubt है. Ma'am?
What?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
आएगा बेटा. प्रशंसा, what I told you. वेट करो. आपके तरफ नेटवर्क खराब हो रहा है. सबको आवाज आ रही है.
Hello, ma'am.